So taking the dogs on a run in the old golf cart. And yeah, I treat this thing more like a buggy than a golf cart. But I'm into pushing things to their limits. And it seems the windshield has been pushed to its limits with the washouts on the roads here being extremely deep and me going through them and doing this. Shook the glass so hard, it broke right out of the mount. So, I'm not one for buying something new if I can fix what's broke. And that piece should go right back in there. I think I'm gonna pull out that old welding tool I got. Come on, dogs, let's go home. Run faster, Cricket. Not in front of my tire, though. I did move this one up to try to hold it in place until I could get back here, and I didn't want it to break any more than it had to. There's a clear spot on the table. He's ready for surgery. So if you've been around the channel for a while, you've seen me use this a couple times. Used it on a pool pump that had a crack in it. Used it on a Jeep glove box that had a crack in it. And it works really well. And it's basically you plug it in and you can pull the trigger all you want, but it will not get hot until you have one of these plugged into the end of it. There are 1,000 of them in there. And basically all you do is put that in there, touch it where you want it to melt through, pull the trigger, it gets hot, starts melting through, and let off. It'll cool down about as quick as it heated up, and then you can pull the tool off, and then these little pegs will stick up, and then you just cut them off with these side cutters here. So I can see where the plastic is kind of sharp there, where it didn't break clean. So that's where I'm going to make sure it's lined up. Of course, you use the edges, and the brake was pretty clean, so it will fit right back together. You can see it'll be glowing red in just a minute. There it is. So let that cool for just a second. All right, there's one. Load up the next one. Now you do want to give some pressure to push down as it's melting, but you want to make sure that you don't push all the way through, because then it will not give the desired result. I'm going to put one more right over here on this edge. And these are probably plenty strong. And these roads do get a bit bumpy. All right, grab the side cutters. I think a larger pair of side cutters give a little more ease of use. These are right here, so I'm going to use them. Make sure you have on safety goggles, safety squints, because you can hear these things ricocheting all around. So there we go, it's back together. And yet we'll still flex some. But it's one piece. Covered with pollen. That's what time of year it is down here. Feel sorry for you guys that are still dealing with snow. We don't really know what that is down here. If you're interested in this plastic welder, I'll leave a link in the description. Get it off of Amazon. Doesn't cost a whole lot. And it sure can help you reuse some of the things that broke but may not need to be replaced yet. And saving money, and I'm here for it. See you guys next time.